As the year 2022 is ending and 2023 is around the corner, let's look at some of the ideas for growing your income to improve your financial health and increase your purchasing power. Before we start, subscribe to the channel so you keep getting tips on financial intelligence. Now let's get started with the ideas to help you grow your income in 2023. Idea number 1. Start investing. Investing your money in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, or any other investment vehicles can help you grow your income in the long run. Research and educate yourself on the various investment strategies and start diversifying your portfolio by investing in different asset classes. Idea number 2. Create a budget. Creating a budget is a cornerstone for any successful financial plan. Developing a budget can help you keep track of your income and expenses and identify areas where you can save and invest more. Idea number 3. Increase your income. Consider different ways to increase your income. Starting a side hustle, taking a freelance work, or looking for a part-time job can all help you generate more income. Idea number 4. Utilize tax deductions. Take advantage of deductions and credits that can reduce your tax liability. Look into deductions for charitable donations, education expenses, and business expenses. Idea number 5. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account so you can save without thinking about it. You can also set up automatic investments into the stock market or other investments. Idea number 6. Negotiate your salary. If you are looking for a raise, consider negotiating your salary. Research the going rate for your job in your area and make a compelling case for a higher salary. Idea number 7. Utilize technology. Technology can help you manage your finances, increase your income, and make smart investments. Utilize apps and online tools to help you stay on top of your finances. By following these tips, you can grow your income in 2023 and increase your financial security. To summarize, by investing, creating a budget, increasing your income, taking advantage of deductions and credits, automating your savings, negotiating your salary, and utilizing technology can all help you reach your financial goals. If you liked the video, then hit on the like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on upcoming videos in the series.